Oh wait, whose is this? Oh, here's the camera. Oh, a little nose cone. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, it really dirt the dog in the dirt. It broke exactly where I glued it.
The Viper's got a story though.
Oh yeah, that's fixable.
Oh, it didn't mess the ailerons or elevators? That's awesome. Because that's the worst.
Alright, so down here is my plane. I landed it after I figured out which plane was mine. Because I had no idea. After I hit it, it kind of was like a blur.
You fixed all the way across, because that's where it broke last time. Any damage?
There's a crack right there. But other than the crack, like right here is a crack. But that's it.
So we had to hit hard.
So this would be, how many wrecks on this one?
I don't know. Well,
this is the first one that wasn't your fault.
Twice. This is the second clean break. It actually broke in the same spot because you can see this.
Technically, this is my plane too.
Yeah. Your fuselage, my wing, and then my my elevators.
So when I did limbo,
you might be able to cut parts of that and graft them into this.
I damaged mine with limbo, so I knew his was trash, so I gave him mine, and I had a new one in the box that I bought right before they discontinued. Well, they didn't discontinue them; they're just not available till August. Oh, it's cracked. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, so I hit you with the nose. I came up on you. So I was trying to come up behind you, and I, misjudged you by a foot or so.
Trying to dogfight.
We weren't even going that fast. No, I was just coming up behind him, and I just, boom, hit him.
Midair jet crash.
Lights work.
We're good. A little bit of glue. It should be in the air in no time.
All right. Well, I almost said before this last incident that we made it through the night with no crashes with Maiden and some planes, but we ended up crashing not on a Maiden, but on some jet action.
I was going to take another flight. I think I'm just going to go.
Yeah, I think backing it up's a good idea.
Yeah, I think I'm going to end on this note.